Hey guys, Tech Commentary with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your charger of your iPhone if it's not charging or it doesn't work. So there's a couple things that you can do to try to resolve this issue. Now, we're going to walk you through the troubleshooting steps, and hopefully by the end of the video, you're able to charge your iPhone. So let's get started. So when it comes to charging your iPhone, right, you have these cables. So generally, these cables are not that great. I find that generally over time will start to break, like this one. As you can see here, it started to break and it won't charge, or it'll be finicky, or it'll charge on and off. And then you have a newer version of the cable of that. So the very first thing I like to do is, like, whenever you're charging your phone and it's not charging, is changing out the outlet that you're charging in. Sometimes it could be the wall outlet, so put in a different outlet. The next thing you want to do is switch out the wall adapter box. If you have a box, sometimes the box gets defective, so try different boxes if you have another one, just to verify that it's not the box itself. The other thing you can also do is to take the cable, and if you have like a USB C or USB here, you can plug it into your computer or another device that has charge, just to verify that it can charge through that. So those are a couple things to try out. Now, the next thing you want to check out is your phone as well. So one thing we could do with our phone is, sometimes it may not be the cable itself. There's a lot of dust that sometimes gets into the charge port itself, and the way to clean out that is taking like a paper clip, if you have a paper clip like this, and bending it and slightly try to see if there's any dust. If you have an air can, so you can also try to do that, but basically look into it. It's really deep. Sometimes it gets stuck in there because over time your phone is in your pocket or you're moving around, and the dust buildup will block the charge port. So when you connect it, it won't really charge. And I've seen that one of the biggest reason why the phone doesn't charge. So check out that as well. Now, after you've done that and you verified it doesn't work, I recommend taking your charger that you don't think is working. If you have someone else's device that's an iPhone, go ahead and check to see if it charges their phone, so we can make sure that it's not the charger and it's the phone actually. So now, if you have a cable like this that's broken, so what I recommend is doing is, this one sometimes might not work because connections are getting loose. If you have electric tape, you want to tape it up. So you'll see here, if you don't want to go out and buy, of course, you want to make sure you go out and buy another cable, because I don't really recommend this, but this is a quick home solution, is just taking a electric tape. Remember, it has to be electrical tape, and you want to simply like go around it, like making a nice seal so that the connections are together here. And this will extend your cable life for some time, but eventually it will probably give out because it will start separating at other ends. But you can kind of do that to protect yourself, because these cables are, again, so flimsy, and generally I find that over time you just have to replace them. So I'll tape this up, and for temporarily I should be able to charge just like that. So go ahead and also inspect your cable. So let me see if I can take this off. All right, cool. So this is a bigger mess than I thought, but here it is. And you want to check the other end as well, and go through and look at to see if there's any other nickel cracks. Sometimes those might be hidden that could be impacting. You want to tape them up as well, and make sure that there isn't any bubble or anything like that. And then finally check this side as well, and make sure this side over here, right, these cables aren't burnt or something. Sometimes if it's burnt, it means it was blown out and you need to get a new charger cable. And after that, hopefully now you should be able to charge. So that's kind of the quickest way to fix your charger that won't charge. Check out the different outlet, different wall adapter, tape it up if you can, check the charge port for cleaning, and by then you should be able to charge it. Hopefully this video is helpful, and let us know if you found a better way to fix your broken iPhone charger. Leave a comment in the comment section to share with everyone. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.